When I came to this organization about 10 years ago, we were drowning in paper. We were drowning in a 100-year-old company that really didn't change with the times. So I knew that we needed to have something that would automate and would reduce the paper, store it in an organized fashion. But the same way, I knew that we're a not-for-profit, cost is a big issue. Buying systems and either not using it is a big issue. River Spring Living is a post-acute long-term care continuum of services. We pride ourselves on a 32-acre campus right on the Hudson River that provides our inpatient services. Off campus, we have a number of different community-based services. We have our home care services. We have about 500 patients that we serve. So all told, the organization has about 2,500 employees, services about 18,000 to 20,000 patients on a day-to-day basis, and an annual budget of approximately $1 billion this year. We don't want a user license-based system because that would have been a disincentive for us to be able to roll it out organization-wide and allow others to really benefit from the system. We wanted a site license. We wanted the ability to use that system for any users, any databases, any types of documents, any type of workflow. That's how we really selected and chose Vasion, because of that, the ability to do, and on an affordable basis, a site license to be able to use all the modules, all the functions, and all the features. My past experience at other organizations, a document management system is only as good as being able to find those documents after the fact. Well, we can scan and we can store millions of documents, and if we can't find them with multiple ways, then we find that it's really, don't bother scanning it in the first place. We have our annual financial audit every year, and they're always looking to pull documents, and every time that we can't pull a particular document, they ask for 10 more, so that reduction of that workload has created a lot of efficiencies. The state comes in for their annual survey, especially on the clinical side. We have to pull employee records, we have to pull clinical records and staffing records, and having them accessible makes that whole process easier. A large part of our business is our visiting nurse business. When the staff member is in the home, we need to collect information like copies of insurance cards, authorization forms, and things like that. So we can easily take the laptop that the nurse has, we can take a photo of the document, and through workflow automatically store that into the medical record as part of the chart, like every other document, without having to either take the document away, make a copy of it and bring it back, or not have the document at all. So it's really helped with compliance and getting us accurate insurance ID numbers, accurate authorization forms for audits and compliance. Vasion understands the business processes, and that's an important piece. It's not just turning the software on, telling us how to press the various buttons. It's really learning our business, learning our workflow, and helping mold the system and mold the implementation to our own process. Vasion had really the best combination of site license, affordability, and workflow tools to be able to automatically index, automatically link with our business systems, our back-end financial systems, medical record systems, without having to write code or do integrations. It's been 6, 7, or 8 years that we've been using the system, and very happy.